Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. That means a lot to me. In today's video, we will be making moringa, fenugreek, and rosemary daily spray. And the things that you will be needing for today's video are rosemary leaves, fresh or dry, fenugreek seeds, moringa powder, essential oils of your choice, and of course a mason jar. All the measurements for everything I use will be in the description box. I started by adding all my ingredient into the mason jar, and after adding everything, I am going to go ahead and add water to it. Let's just do a run through of what we are adding into the mason jar. The moringa powder thickens the hair, it grows the hair. Rosemary aids in hair growth as well, and you guys already know my love for fenugreek seeds. The interesting fact about everything that I'm using here, well, the main things, which are the moringa oil powder and the fenugreek seeds, is that they are both made, well, originally from India. So I found that a little fascinating, and yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. So after adding water, I am going to just cover it and store this in a dark, dry place. I'm going to let mine sit for 2 days. You can let yours sit for a couple hours, 2 days, a week, however long you want to let it sit for. It's all up to you. The longer the better. Mine was thick, so I'm going to go ahead and add more water. If you've been enjoying this video up to this moment, please just take a minute to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment as well. I'm going to go ahead and put this away and check back in 2 days later. I'm not sure if you guys noticed anything different, but the fenugreek seeds are much larger, and that made me know that the mixture was well fermented. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain it. You can either add your essential oils now, or you could add it later. I decided to add mine now because I didn't know how the smell would be, but I was just hoping that the peppermint oil will mask however it was smelling, because this is my first time making the moringa DIY spray. The smell wasn't too bad. It wasn't bad at all. So now that I have strained it, I'm just going to go ahead and put it into my spray bottle. That's just about it, guys. This is the end of the video. You can use this spray 2 to 3 times a week. Well, I use mine every other day, especially my edges, so you guys can go ahead and use it. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to reach out to me if you have any questions or if you would like to collaborate. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.